Hey everyone, this is Andrew, the project manager, and right now I'm going to become smaller and I will show you a quick introduction to YouTrack. So here it is, here's the YouTrack dashboard, and we will look at a few points, and the first one is searches. So if you go to issues, you will see here in the left bar, saved searches. And by default, you're already gonna have many searches like assigned to me, etc. And maybe it's already gonna be enough for you. But just in case, I will show you how I use custom searches. For example, I separated only epics, and I may see epics from all the projects. And for me, it's easier to find this time tracking epics. So I may find this epic to Godwin Solar and see all kinds of user stories for different time tracking. Also, I may separately look at the Godwin Solar project or Technical Platform Framework project. And also I may create any search I want. For example, I may say new search. And for example, I want to see only state, for example, only user stories which are in progress. Here they are, 3 user stories, and I may call it in progress. That's it. Now I have this tab here, and also I immediately may see that there are 3 user stories in progress, etc., 5 epics, etc. So this is searches, pretty useful thing. Okay, the next one is adding time. So how you add your time spent to work. You will go to user story, to your development user story, for example, and you will see this field in the bottom. And when you put your cursor in there, you will see this Add Spend Time button. If you press it, you will see this small window, and you just choose your date, choose how much time you spend, for example, 3 hours, and you choose work type, for example, front end, and you click Save. That's it. Also, you may add multiple entries, for example, for the whole week, etc. That's it. This is how you add your time. So you add it either to your development user story, or for example, you want to add specify how much time you spend for stand-up for some meeting. So you choose meetings, and the same. For example, you may specify that you spend 30 minutes to stand up. That's it. That is how you add your time. A few words about work type. Why this is important? First of all, each time entry must have work type. We will need it for like bigger management, etc. And if you will have some time entry which has not work type, if you did not specify it, I will have to check it, I will have to find it, and I will have to contact you and ask you to still specify it. So please, each time when you when you put your time entry, please specify your work type. And also, when you entering time spent for meeting, for example, for stand-up, please still choose your, let's say, primary work time. So if you are a front-end developer and if you visited some meeting, also please specify front-end work type. Because sometimes people, for example, may choose project management, but then I'm going to explain why developers do some management. So please, if you are, for example, a front-end developer, please specify that it's a front-end work type. That's it probably about work type. And the last one is confirmation. So what about confirmation? During the whole week, you may either add time entries each time, or maybe you're going to have some kind of, for example, notes, which will help you to remember how much hours you spent on what day to what project. And then on each Monday, I will write a request in the project channel. I will write some kind of, hey guys, please confirm that all the time entries for the past week is there. So, and I will ask you to confirm with the command. So I will pause this conversation with a request, and I will ask you to write confirmed, or whatever, which says that it's done. And after I will see that everybody confirmed that they specified all the time entries, I will go and make a report for accounting department. That's it probably. Thanks for watching and goodbye.